Alright, I had a subscriber ask about if I can do side-by-side footage of the SJ7 against the SJ5000x Elite in 1080 at 60 frames a second. So that's what I'm showing you right now. Gyro is on both cameras. They are just side-by-side handheld right now. Starting to drizzle a little bit out here. You can see the water on the leaves. There's my fig tree in the back. Very overcast skies right now. Firmware on the SJ7 is the 1.15, and the firmware on the SJ5000x Elite is the 1.4.6, which is my personal favorite for the SJ5000. Hope this helps.